Hello gorgeous beings, once again. So I decided to, find a new spot near my place, like 10 minutes away. Got a nice little park, nice little trails around, and just absolutely gorgeous. I'm so happy. Just look at this. Nice little ponds, Oh gosh, love nature. Fresh air. You're outside of the city. You're outside of all the BS. outside of all the dumb stuff that us humans we like to worry about. Just being at peace, being one with nature. Can't wait for the next summer anyways. Do some grounding again, put my feet in the dirt. And going to beaches once again, because it's getting a bit cold at this time of year to go in the water outside. So peaceful. Yeah, you guys will definitely have a couple footage for sure this summer. What am I talking about? Not this summer. This winter. This winter I'll have like many nice little footage from here up north in Canada. The North strong. Just having fun here. I hope you're having fun wherever you are. Yep, absolutely no sounds around. Just a couple birds. Just a wind flowing in the forest, through the trees, through the leaves, and just looking at the sky. And everything is in perfect harmony. The trees are, birds are flying peacefully. Got very nice, peaceful clouds floating around. And that's what you want to do. You want to just float around like a cloud, just passing by without making too much of noise, just being okay with whatever. And that if you actually want to do a certain change in your life, you can take action now and do something. Find solutions, find new ways to deal with your problems. Become creative. Nature is always creative. If you look sometimes at birds, right, they'll make nests, and if they live in cities, they'll grab a couple branches, but sometimes they'll bring like plastics or little bits and pieces of whatever, right? They're creative in some sense, right? They'll pick whatever, right, to make their own nest. So you have that creative ability in your life to change whatever. But anyways, I think I've talked way too much already for today, so have an absolutely gorgeous day, and try to find nice little spots like these. You know, nice little trail near your place or whatever, and enjoy, you know, Mother Nature a little bit before it gets too cold. Have a great day and stay blessed.